Hey Nontechies, just real quick, I wanted to come and show you how to change the name that displays on the tab when you create a page. In our last video, we created our funnel template sign up page, and we did it by copying the actual coming soon page. So it says non-techies coming soon, which is what our coming soon page actually says. So I wanted to just show you how to change that. If you're wondering, sometimes it'll say squeeze page or whatever your name is right here, and you wanted to say something else. So you just click on edit page, and then you go to settings. And if you come down, just while we're here though, if you're ever wondering like what the default typography, font size, colors, if you're wanting to change that, the heading, so this is the default text, this is the heading, typography, language, background color, image, all of that. And then we get here to title, and so we'll call this coming soon funnel template free. We can create a description and put some keywords in there for SEO purposes, our name. This social image, it's what is going to display if we were to share this, say like on Facebook. So we can go ahead and add the mock-up, so that again when we share that is the picture that will come up. Then we'll save these changes and we'll go here, we'll refresh, and now this says coming soon funnel template free. Okay, so again, just real quick, wanted to show you how to get that done. Let me know if you have any questions or any other tutorials or things you want me to show you how to do. All right, see you in the next video.